Remote keyless entry is a great feature to have on your T1N. However, most vans, it can be a real problem. If you're lucky enough to still have your original remote keyless entry, then you probably already know the biggest problem with it, and that's range. Its second biggest problem is cost of repairing the system. For example, if you bought your van with central locking but without a fob, Mercedes will charge over $300 to pair a new fob to your van. Even if you source a used key fob, it still has to be programmed to your van using a special method that only Mercedes can do. Well, I'm here to show you a $12 solution that just requires you to connect 2 wires into your dashboard. As stated, this mod requires that you have a central locking switch and the entire central locking system installed. So if you don't have central locking system, you'll have to move along. We'll have an affiliate link in the description where you can get this. There are many like it, but I chose this one because of its size, its ease of hooking up, and also the frequency that it uses. So once you get the remote and receiver combo, you want to go out to your van and pull apart your dashboard. You can see where the receiver sits amidst all this wiring mess. It's quite small. So this is the basic wiring for it. The red wire from the module is going to just connect to anywhere you could find 12 volt power. Your blue wire here, this is the trigger wire. This is what's going to go and close the ground on the white yellow wire here that goes into the bottom half of the central locking switch. And then finally, ground and the yellow wire are bridged together, and that's how we get the ground to close on the blue wire when we push the button. So when you push the button on the included remote, the light will flash on here, and it'll close the ground on the central locking switch, making the system think that you've pushed the central locking button. So pretty much it's push once for lock, push again for unlock, and it's as simple as that. And that's it. There's no configuration of the module required. It's just plug and play. And the best part about it is the range. Check this out. Just to give you an idea of the type of range we're dealing with, I've set up the camera inside the van, and you'll be able to hear the central locking system click when I push the button all the way over here. Now I'll go out a little farther now. I'll go out a little farther now. It looks like where I was just outside of the allotted range. Yes, there's still a limit on range with this, but the range on this aftermarket key fob is at least 10 times better than the Sprinter key fob. You have to pretty much be this close to your van with the stock Sprinter key fob to get it to unlock. I mean, even if I'm this far away, I mean, it wouldn't function. Meanwhile, this, pretty much as far away as I need it to be, I can get it to lock and unlock reliably. And everything hides under the dashboard. That antenna doesn't need to poke out anywhere. The range is amazing as it is. And the best part, of course, is that there's no programming required. If you'd like Florida Van Man to install this mod for you, then leave a comment down below and we'll see if we can't get in contact about this. Thanks for watching this episode of Tips, Tricks, and Tweaks, guys. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave us a like, and if this helped you out, consider leaving us a donation in the Buy Me a Coffee links down below. This helps us buy crazy experiments like this for our T1Ns. And yeah, there are no local locksmiths around us that will do this for us at a good price. So yeah. Long live the $12 key fob.